I ordered another DC to DC step down regulator, voltage regulator, circuit, whatever. And yeah, this is how it arrived at the EasyBox. It's kind of like a post box, mailbox, whatever, but it's used by everyone. And the courier just drops off these packages there. And as you can see, it seems like this was on the ground, stepped on, and probably worse. The back is also dirty. Yeah, this is how I got it. So let's open it up and let's hope the electronics inside is okay. Chopped into the warranty paper. Oh, not warranty paper. That's fine. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Oh boy. Oh boy. This was stepped on. As you can see, the plastic bag has damage on it. Clearly, you can clearly see that it's even open. It's cut open. And this component is bent in that direction, maybe even damaged. Okay, this is really bad. This is really bad service, and I'll make a comment about it at least if it doesn't work. It has a high chance of working because I don't see any other damage here. But yeah, this component is probably, it's a potentiometer. It's probably damaged. Yeah. I guess I'll find out soon enough. Let's try to open it and look at it a little closer. From all angles, hopefully. Yeah, nothing bad. Everything seems fine, mostly fine. The capacitors are roughed up a bit, but yeah, no, there's no significant bend on the shell or anything. Yeah, here's a little bend, it's damaged, but yeah, mostly fine. Let's try to bend this back, or at least let's look at it. What happened here? It just bent as far as it could. Did any of the legs come out of the... maybe not. Let's try to bend it back. Yeah, this is bad. Oh boy. The legs went up inside, back inside the component. This is probably bad, but I'll try it out and I'll get back to you and get back to the online shop about this incident. This is not acceptable to treat electronics like this. Look how damaged the packaging is. This clearly got stepped on, or worse. So yeah.